Alright, look at this, guys and gals. We got snow. It's snowing. Cool, cool, cool. Barbecues. The redneck smoker. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, guys, we'll get back to you. Alright, we're gonna get the dogs out. Let's go. Come on, go, Neela. Go. Oh,
what is that?
It's first time snow for Silver.
Paper, go. Go. Edward says no way.
Squirrel says I'm not going out in that stuff. Are you crazy?
Oh, Dozer.
Hey, Dozer. I don't know if you can see out there, but it's pretty cool. Snow, snow, snow. And this Chevy, all full of snow. Dogs are going, hey, what is this stuff? Neela's been in the snow, but Silver's first timer in her snow.
Sure.
Alright, we'll get back to you.